I'm here with Ibrahim Jilani from UL. Ibrahim is our co-chair of the Safety and Security Committee, which published this industry alert. Welcome, Ibrahim.
Hi, Chris. Thanks for having me.
Tell us more about, first of all, how you got into this immersive tech space and what you're doing at UL.
Yeah, so I am a safety professional that joined UL 15 years ago, doing things like safety certifying product for electric shock and fire safety. Over the years, I got involved with the information technology and equipment world, which are things like laptops and cell phones and tablets, and dealing with safety concerns of that industry. As the industry has evolved now to look at virtual reality, augmented reality, UL as a safety science company recognized that there are some things here with this type of technology that going forward, we really should be thinking about as a community, as a group of stakeholders that are interested in the success of AR and VR. So we are leading some efforts up to develop new safety standard in this area. And then also for the committee work that we're doing for VR AR, we're trying to make sure that we address holistic safety issues. And one of the most pressing ones, as we all know, is COVID-19 and the use of wearable equipment, and how do we approach that, and what are some of the tactics and techniques to really safeguard yourself.
You're showing us the COVID-19 industry alert that you produced with the VRARA Safety and Security Committee. Can you tell us more about this publication?
Sure. UL, as a committee chair, responsible to facilitate the industry discussing how, what are the issues that need to be tackled related to COVID-19. So a group of dedicated professionals that came and volunteered their time and energy helped to put together a very meaningful update here. This update is to provide some of the science background behind ultraviolet C light and how that is used to inactivate viruses and bacteria in general, and then how that can apply in the world of VR AR. So there are things here about the science, things here regarding what's been the science as it relates to coronavirus, things related to the U.S. Center of Disease Control and what they have said about the use of UV irradiation and UVC lighting. So throughout the update, we were trying to give practical tips, understanding of what to use, what not to use, what kind of products exist for the headsets, smartphones, and keyboards and mouses and that sort of thing. And we're also asking that, that if you have products that you're making in this field, to share it with us so that we can highlight it in the industry alert. We're trying to make this as neutral as possible, to just share what are the products that are out there. UL is there to be a knowledge source. We're not there to, do anything other than help the industry figure out its solutions. So I think this alert and the way it's been developed really tries to address that, and hopefully it'll be a help for those that need to know how do they manage their wearable equipment better.
Ibrahim, what are you most excited about for the future?
Certainly my most exciting thing that is related to the safety of AR VR is that we really address holistically the issues that we face with AR VR, which are things like allergic contact dermatitis, things like eye strain, cumulative radio frequency electromagnetic field exposure. So things of that nature. I'm very excited that UL and a group of standard technical panel members that are working on a new safety standard. Members of that group include pretty known companies in the high-tech space that are all trying to put together the world's first safety standard. So I think that is a important endeavor. The Consumer Product Safety Commission of the United States is also involved in this endeavor. And really, when it's completed, we will have something that can be used as a way to make sure that equipment that's being used by members of the VR AR Association really has gone through its rigor and thought through the safety concerns of this type of wearable equipment.